It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new mystery box unboxing video. And today I have my sister joined with me, Nicole Rosalie. I'll leave her links in the description down below, Instagram, YouTube, all that fun stuff. This is a very, very special package that came in from the homies at AAPE by a bathing ape. You guys know I love BAPE. I go to Japan a lot. I've been there 5 times. I'm about to go on my 6th trip to Japan, and it's an honor to have a mystery box sent to me from AAPE or APE. I always called it AAPE, just found out it's actually just called APE. It's basically the sister brand or sub brand by BAPE. It's not as hyped up, not as limited, more affordable, and they have different designs than the traditional shark head and the bathing ape logo. And they actually sent over 3 pairs of sneakers today early. These things come out next month, so huge thank you to AAPE for sending these over. And they also sent over some clothing, which I'm gonna wear when we're in the Philippines. This box is heavy. Like, check, this takes up the full screen. Oh, Nikki, try holding this. Hold this by yourself.
You know I get those games.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the mystery box right here. We're about to get into it, but before we do, I actually picked up a pair of sneakers at Soul Exchange Canada. It was a trade I did. I traded a pair of Air Max sneakers. I think the Air Max 95s and I think a pair of Ultra Boost. So yeah, this right here is my brand new Boost sneaker pickup. Thank you to the subscriber who did the trade. I think he was very happy and I'm also very happy with it. And these are the shoes right here. And this is from the pack that I really liked. And this is my favorite colorway of the super recent releases. Like, these are really nice. I'm a huge fan of these. Nikki, what do you think about these Pharrell Nmds?
These are really cool. The laces, I did not know, like,
they don't actually come like
this,
that. No,
right?
Whoever laced it, it looks like a telephone cord almost.
Yeah.
But they laced it in a really cool way. And I'm a huge fan of these. These are not brand new. These are VNDS. But I'm happy, very happy to have these Pharrells in my collection. Actually, before we get into this mystery box, I want to let you guys know that tomorrow we're actually doing a sneaker collection with my sister on the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe. Sneaker collection video with my sister coming very soon. But yeah, let's get into this package right here. Now, they sent over a little note with a few goodies. Hi Christian, hope you like the shoes. We are really excited with you wearing them. Signed, the AAPE marketing team. So thank you, AAPE. I really appreciate it. This is really dope of you guys to send this over. And yeah, now let's get into the contents of this box. So what do we got? What do we got here?
Okay, this looks like a cup holder, but for a very small cup.
A cup holder? Or maybe I honestly don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know what this is exactly, but it's like a foam kind of holder. It looks like it can hold a beer possibly.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe a beer. It could even maybe hold your cell phone in it. But it has that AAPE camouflage. Like, this is the traditional AAPE camo that they have. And I really like the colors to it. This black, brown, and green. All right, next up, what do we have, Nikki? What do we have?
We have a bunch of like holographic metallic stickers.
Okay, this will be nice. I can sticker bomb my laptop a little bit more. So here's a look at it. It's like a chromed out AAPE head, and this is actually the AAPE logo. So the bathing ape logo and the AAPE logo are slightly different, but they both have that Planet of the Apes inspired monkey face. Here's a look at another one with the AAPE logo. Sort of reminds me of the Avengers. With that A right there.
We have a armband and a headband.
So armband and headband for the gym. I actually used to wear armbands like crazy growing up. I would have 2 Naruto ones on one arm, 2 Naruto ones on the other, and go to my soccer games feeling like a complete ninja. It was weird. It was definitely a weird look.
Such a weird.
So thank you, AAPE, for sending over some of these wristbands, these sweatbands right here. I don't actually really wear the headbands, so I might give this away when I'm in the Philippines. I'll bring this over with me. And now let's get to the clothing. So you can take it out of these bags, and these bags are actually pretty unique. They're like loud, silver, kind of tinfoil looking. A+ on the packaging. So each item comes individually like this. I'm not sure if this is a retail packaging, but this is the packaging at least for the unboxing right here. So we have 2 like tank top sleeveless shirts, which are gonna be great for the summer when I'm in Asia. We have a neon yellow right here. This is like a workout top basically for me right here. So we have the AAPE branding on the back pretty much, and then we also have some AAPE branding on the upper left hand chest area. Next up, what do you got, Nick? Olive not as gym workout friendly as the one I just showed you guys, but it is this like olive green sleeveless shirt. We got the same AAPE branding or APE branding right there, and on the back we have some horizontal branding. I can tell my sister is already gonna steal this from me. I feel like she's gonna try to steal this from me for like Veld or something like that. Like this is a music festival top right here. Definitely a music festival.
Definitely for guys. For girls, no. Girls just go shirtless.
And then this right here, I actually wore this earlier today in a photo shoot for these shoes, and these might be my favorite pair of cargo pants. And considering it's from like a hype brand, I'm really excited to wear these a bunch. This is the Camouflage APE cargo jogger pants. They have that signature APE camo. Then you have pockets on each side, which is really dope, with some 3M reflective accents. And there's 2 pockets. I really like that. I'm a huge fan of cargo pants. If you guys have seen my Instagram, I wear my Stone Island pair in absolute ton. And there's also like a belt here too as well that comes on the pants. So it sort of has like a techwear kind of vibe. It sort of hangs loose. And I'll actually have some on-body images on screen right now so you guys can see what these look like on body. And yeah, that is the camo pants. So I'm gonna pack this in my luggage right now before I get going to the airport. So the very first sneaker we're gonna unbox are the APE Dimension sneaker right here. So here's the box. We don't actually get to see too many APE branded sneaker boxes on the channel. And as a matter of fact, this is actually the very first time that APE is releasing their own sneaker.
Ooh.
Yeah, their very first sneaker, their first like signature shoe, you could say. In the past, they've done collaborations with K-Swiss. I've seen those collabs on eBay, but this is the first real APE shoe that is not like a collab with anybody. So this is one of them. This is the APE Dimension. I will allow you to do the honors. Here we go. Your first impressions of this shoe, Nikki. What do you think about these?
Definitely out there. I did not expect it when I thought APE would have shoes.
Yeah, my sister's not seen any of these shoes in her entire life before, so you guys are gonna get her real raw reaction to these shoes. And yeah, these are a big, bulky dad shoe. Really gives off those Balenciaga kind of vibes in my opinion. And we have that white, red, and blue American or Korean kind of color scheme, you could say. And we got some blue laces with the 3M pops on him as well. They also came with some extra laces. They came with some white laces, so I might throw these in. And yeah, here's a on-feet look at the sneakers. Also, these APE Dimension sneakers are coming out on May 13th for a retail price of $165 US or 1,299 Hong Kong dollars. So this next sneaker are the APE Plus Potential SS. This is the different kind of APE branding box we have right here. It's pretty much all black with some black on black glossy accents. And I'm curious, Nikki, which ones do you like more? Do you like this pair or do you like the pair I just showed you? So here it is. These are really giving me like a Nike sock dart kind of vibe. And then it has a strap across of it that says AAPE or APE. And it's pretty decent looking. It looks like a solid running shoe. I wasn't expecting like a running shoe kind of style sneaker out of APE. I was thinking more along something like the lines of an Air Force One because of BAPE with the BAPE stuff.
I think I like these more than the other ones actually. They just look like a solid running shoe that like I could wear, and like the color is olive, like will go with a lot of things.
This is the olive colorway, but they do have a couple other colorways coming out as well. We have a strap right here in the back with some branding, and then here's a look at the outsole as well. So this is the olive colorway. Here's also an on-feet look at the APE Plus Potential SS, and these are releasing for $127 US or 999 Hong Kong dollars. And now let's get to my favorite pair from this collection. So these right here, these are in my opinion heat, and I'm actually going to be wearing these a good amount when I'm in Asia. So we have the same black branding for the box right here. Nikki, you can do the honors. These are the I have the name right here, the APE Awakening EX. Sort of like a Pokemon EX. These are dope. These really have that dope designer sock running shoe kind of vibe that you want. Very similar to a Balenciaga, their sock runner. But what I really like about this sneaker in particular are like the straps that go across of it. You guys know I'm really into tech wear these days, and these straps definitely have some tech wear kind of vibes. And that sole is very unique too. Sort of like a dinosaur sole. It reminds me of the Nike Footscape Magista. If you guys have experienced that model or know what that model looks like, here they are on screen. And we also have a bunch of like black stitching going on in here. as well. A lot of small details. So if you guys want a review on this shoe, of course, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the AAPE Awakening EX? Nikki, what do you think about these?
I don't know. How is this supposed to work?
It's really just there for look. Like, it doesn't strap in your foot.
Okay.
So yeah, there is like a buckle right here, and when it comes to a buckle, you're used to like, you know, unbuckling it, but there is no way to unbuckle it from what I see. It's just there for aesthetic purposes. Yeah, so how do you feel about this shoe?
They really remind me of like the Balenciaga ones, the ones that like sauce.
The ones that say Balenciaga on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'd give it a solid like 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
Really
I'd give these shoes a solid like 8.5 out of 10. I really like them. I did try them on feet, and comfort, I'd give these like a solid 7 out of 10. Nothing too crazy. And these are retailing for a price of $155 US, I believe. Here's an on feet look at what these shoes look like on feet. These are my favorite from the collection. Huge thank you to AAPE for sending all this stuff over. I appreciate the early look. And of course, if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below what your favorite pickups were from today's video. I got my sister's sneaker collection video dropping tomorrow. We're also announcing the Yeezy giveaway for the month of April, and then we're gonna kick off the season 5 vlogs. The Asia tour begins, and I'll catch you guys next time in tomorrow's video. Peace out.